I believe and have for many years the International Criminal Court is fundamentally illegitimate. It's not something the United States should cooperate with.
Why?
This is not in any way to excuse Putin's conduct of the war, but there are jurisdictions that can try him, Ukraine in particular, and ultimately a free Russia to try him. The International Criminal Court is illegitimate because it is an exercise of governmental power in a vacuum without any constitutional framework to restrain it. And it's a very dangerous institution. And I think the conduct of the International Criminal Court is potentially threatening, at this point, to a diplomatic solution in Ukraine. If you want negotiations to take place, do you think an arrest warrant for Vladimir Putin makes it more likely or less likely he will negotiate? This free electron out there, divorced from political control, and I mean that in the constitutional sense, I think is more of a menace than an aid.
So you have a beef with the ICC, but do you think if an arrest warrant was issued by another authority then that you feel would be legitimate, that would be appropriate?
Well, I think Ukraine could certainly issue an arrest warrant. The issue, though, is do you really want to try Vladimir Putin in absentia? That's the kind of stab in the back circumstances that give rise to an authoritarian being able to enhance his own standing in domestic politics. The real ultimate justice here for this is going to have to come from a new Russian government at some point. And I think it inhibits the emergence of political maturity when you tell a country in whose name crimes have been committed, we're going to take the burden of judging your leaders off you. They are precisely the people who should make that judgment, as Iraq made the judgment to convict and execute Saddam Hussein.